I'm giving a small presentation on the document object model. It defines the interface between the HTML documents and application programs. It is an abstract model. It consists of a collection of interfaces, including one for each document, tree node type. Interfaces define the objects, methods, and properties that are associated with their respective node types. It is useful to write the code in programming languages to create documents, their structures, and change, add, or delete elements in their content. Documents in the DOM have tree-like structure. The relationships among the elements of the document can be implemented or represented any number of different ways. It is not a data model, it is an object-oriented model. The elements of an document using the DOM model are objects with both the data and operations. The data are called properties and the operations are naturally called methods. Basic terminologies for DOM tree. Every element in DOM tree is called node. The topmost single node in DOM tree is called the root. Every child node must have parent node. Bottommost nodes that have no children are leaf nodes. Nodes with common parent are called siblings. I'm explaining with a program itself. Now open the HTML opening tag and open the header, header tag, title. This is my web page and close the title and close the header section and open the body and H1 hello and close the H1 header and take the header H2 how are you and close the H2 with header 2 and header 3 by and close the H3 and close the body tag and close the HTML. See in a header H1 header it will shows the large hello and coming to the H2 header it shows little bit smaller than the H1 and when coming to the H3 it is little bit smaller than the H3. Like that the output is shown in the DOM. In document object model, document is divided into two parts, head and body. Head represents title. Title means we can say that this is my web page or for example we can say that www.google.com. Coming to the body, we are using three headers here, H1, H2 and H3. H1 header is used for hello and H2 header is used for how are you and H3 header is used for bye. It is parsing from top to bottom. A language that is designed to support the DOM must have a binding to the document DOM constructions. This binding establishes a communication between the languages and elements in the DOM. The JavaScript binding to the DOM HTML elements are represented as objects and element attributes are represented as properties. Example, input type is equal to quotations. We have to write the text. Name is equal to quotations. We have to write the address. The DOM is for defining the standard for accessing and manipulating XHTML. X means extensible hypertext markup language. XML means extendable markup language and other scripting languages. This model is supported by early projects, supports JavaScript. This version was implemented in Netscape 3.0 and Internet Explorer 3.0 browsers. Version 1998, which can be focused on XHTML and XML. Version 2000, that could be specify the style sheet. How we have to prepare a style. For example, if you want to create a style, we have to use the syntax property colon value. Current release can deal with the XML with the DTD document type definition and document validations. There are several ways and HTML form element can be addressed in JavaScript. The DOM way is to use the forms and elements arrays. Syntax element document dot forms in bracket 0 dot element 0. Another approach is using element names. Syntax example document dot form name dot name of the element. And the third approach is get element ID, which is used in DOM1. If an element's identifier is unique in the document, this approach is fruitful. Syntax example document dot get element by ID with quotations name of the element. I'm explaining with a small program. Open the HTML tag and open the header section also and create a title, access to form the elements and close the title section and close the header section and open the body. In the body we have to create a form. In the form syntax, form name is equal to my form and we have to do the action. Action is equal to with quotation. Okay, action means either for example, if you take the Gmail page, if you enter the username and password, where we can see the OK button or submit button or cancel button. If you click the OK button, it will go to the next page. Simply, if you click on the cancel button, please enter your username and password. It will simply refresh the page. Input type is equal to button. Name is equal to turn it on. Close the form and close the body and HTML. Approach 1 document.forms 0 dot element 0. Approach 2 document.myform dot turn it on. Document dot get element by ID, turn it on. This is regarding about the JavaScript